The Cosmic Unity 3, Nike's newest iteration of the Cosmic Unity, is about to go on sale. It carries on Nike's Move to Zero initiative and contains at least 20% recycled material by weight. Featuring a phantom, medium soft pink, bright cactus, and light bone color scheme. This Nike Cosmic Unity 3 product is made from a variety of materials embellished with embroidery. The Crater Sole unit remains the full length of the Zoom Strobel, while the outdoor Nike motif on the insole completes the design. Check out the photos and keep an eye out for the Nike Cosmic Unity 3 Phantom coming to select retailers and Nike.com in the coming months. The retail price is $170.